You are going to love the 2019 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, speed control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.